Mark Ferguson's Build a Rental Property Empire is an authoritative guide aimed at real estate investors who want to start, grow, and manage a portfolio of rental properties. Drawing from his extensive experience as an investor, flipper, and real estate broker, Ferguson provides practical strategies and tools for navigating the complexities of the rental property market. Key lessons and takeaways. 1. The case for rental property investing. Ferguson begins by outlining the financial benefits of rental property investing. He emphasizes how rental income can lead to long-term wealth, financial independence, and passive income. The book highlights the importance of building a sustainable business model and developing a plan to achieve investment goals. 2. Finding and evaluating rental properties. A core focus of the book is how to identify and analyze investment opportunities. Ferguson advises on choosing markets with strong economic and population growth, evaluating properties for cash flow potential and long-term appreciation, using metrics like cash-on-cash return, cap rate, and ROI to assess profitability. He also explains how to uncover hidden opportunities through networking, market research, and creative sourcing strategies. 3. Financing strategies. Ferguson discusses a range of financing options, including traditional bank loans, private money, and leveraging existing equity. He provides actionable advice on securing favorable terms and building relationships with lenders to scale a rental portfolio efficiently. 4. Property management and tenant relations. Effective property management is a cornerstone of the book. Ferguson shares insights on screening tenants to minimize risks, setting competitive rental rates to maximize occupancy and profits, managing maintenance and repairs to preserve property value. The book also covers strategies for minimizing vacancies and handling challenges like late payments or evictions. 5. Overcoming challenges. Ferguson is candid about the potential pitfalls in rental property investing. He addresses common obstacles such as unexpected expenses, market fluctuations, and legal compliance. By sharing his own experiences, he equips readers with strategies to navigate these challenges confidently. 6. Scaling the business. For those ready to expand, Ferguson outlines steps to grow a portfolio. He discusses leveraging profits from existing properties to fund new acquisitions, diversifying into different types of properties or markets, building systems to streamline operations and reduce reliance on hands-on management. Practical features. The book stands out for its real-world examples, case studies, and actionable checklists. Ferguson's writing style is direct and easy to follow, making complex topics accessible to readers at all levels of experience. Target audience. This book is particularly suited for aspiring and intermediate investors who want a roadmap for building a sustainable rental property business. It balances foundational principles with advanced strategies, making it valuable for a wide audience. Build a Rental Property Empire provides a comprehensive and realistic guide for creating a profitable rental portfolio. Ferguson's blend of strategic advice and practical tools ensures readers have the knowledge and confidence to succeed in the competitive world of real estate investing.